Hi everyone, are you looking for a powerful AI assistant like ChatGPT but want it for free? Today, let's access and set up Claude AI for free. Do this now. So first, open your browser and head to Claude AI. This is the official platform by Anthropic, the creator of Claude AI. Then, click sign up if you're new, and also you can create an account using email address or Google account. Once you confirm your email, you're in. Then you can start using Claude. There's no payment required. Yes, Claude is free to use. No credit card needed. You can immediately start chatting, asking questions, brainstorming, summarizing, and more. And if you want the Claude to act like a tutor, a creative partner, or a business coach, just tap your intent. You can set the right tone and style. Then you can also organize your chats. You can manage different chats for different topics like personal, school, or work related tasks. This helps things clean and easy to revisit later. And that's it. You've now got a free access to Claude AI, one of the most powerful conversational AIs today. No fees, no hassle. Start using it to write, learn, code, brainstorm, and more. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.